Hello guys, Mikefish here. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to download single-player commands for Windows 8. Now, for 1.6.2 Windows 8. This has been bugging me because I love not single-player commands. Yes, single-player commands. But single-player commands contains a little thing, my favorite mod in the world, called World Edit. Now, I've been trying to get my hands on this mod, but there isn't an automatic installation, and it's a kind of crazy process, so you're just going to have to follow along with me. Right now I have Peter with me. Say hello.
Hello.
And that's it. Brian's doing some karate, or he would be enjoying us in this call. But Peter doesn't really know how to download this. I'm going to give him a more in-depth tutorial, like step-by-step later. But for you guys, I'm going to give this to you right now. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is go to your internet browser. I'll go to Google Chrome and I have this opened up. What you're going to want to type in is download single player commands for Minecraft 1.6.2. Now I already have this opened. The one that you're going to want to go to is www.6minecraft.net. It's going to be right here. It should say that link right there. Yeah. And you're going to want to click on this. Now you're going to want to scroll down to here, and this is what I'm going to show you how to do right here. This big long list. I could not follow this. I had to find this out on my own, and that was horrible, so I did all this. So now I'm going to show you. Right now, as you can see, the installer is not available. They're still working on getting the automatic installer. So you're going to have to do it by manual. You're going to click this, and it's going to bring you to AdFly. You have like a blocker up thing, you just want to, like a blocker, like an alert or something, you just want to close that, and you're going to want to click skip ad, and it should download this. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to take that. Just drag that onto your desktop, and I have it right here. So you're just going to open this, and you're going to see all this. Now for Windows 8, since these are the newer computers, there's not that many videos on how to access files. So something I found out today is you can press the Windows button. It looks like a window. It should be like near the bottom left of your keyboard. You click that and then you click R. And down here, a run display should pop up. What you're going to want to do is type in %app data %. You're going to click OK. This should take you to your roaming file. Now, from here, you should find your .minecraft folder. It'll bring you to your Minecraft folder. What you're first going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your bin. You don't want to touch anything else. You just want to go into your bin, and you're going to open your single player commands file. You'll also, just saying, you're going to need WinRAR to download this mod. You will need WinRAR. There's plenty of tutorials out there to do that. So what you're going to want to do is you're not going to want to touch anything except for the World Edit jar. You're going to want to pull this just right here and just drag it and drop it. I already have it right here. You see that? I already have it right there. Because I just downloaded it, now I want to make a video on it. So this is my World Edit jar, It's a jar folder. Jar file should be 817 kilobytes, and that's it. So now once you're done with your bin, you're going to want to, let's minimize that. You're going to want to go back to your .minecraft folder. Let me not make that big. You're going to want to go to your versions file, and something similar to this should pop up. As you can see, what we're going to be creating right here is an SCM folder, a single player commands folder. You can name it whatever you want, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to right click your 1.6.2, just nothing else on it, just 1.6.2 folder, and you're going to want to do copy and paste. And now a 1.6.2 copy should pop up. You're going to want to rename this like SCM. I'm going to name it SCM, but in lower cap. Oh wait, let me rename it something else. You're going to want to name it SCM. You can name it whatever you want. Let me call that temp. So in your temp, you're going to want to open this bad boy up. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, there should be a there should be two 1.6.2 files. If yours is just 1.6.2 right here and there's a jar file, and then there's a 1.6.2 and there's not a .json on there, don't change that. What you're going to want to do is whatever you named... Uh-oh, Brian, I'm getting a call from Brian. Peter? Peter? Peter?
Hello.
Oh, can you message Brian right now telling him I'm doing a video?
Okay.
Thank you. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to, whatever you just named this, I just named... Oh, Brian, stop calling me. Brian? Okay, I declined his call. Did you send him a message?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I add him?
Not right now. I'll add him after the video.
Okay.
So right now, you're whatever you named this second folder, this second 1.6.2 folder. Uh-oh. He stopped talking to me. Temp. I named it temp. You can name it temp, but I would name it SCM. So you're gonna open whatever you just named it. There should be these two files, and now whatever you just named this, you're gonna rename these files. So since I named this temp, I'm gonna rename it temp. Exactly the same, exact caps. Now if there's a .json after that, don't touch that, okay? And now for this one, I will rename this to temp. Now you're gonna want to go into your temp, and you're gonna want to or whatever you called it. You're gonna want to open it with Notepad. You can go into more options and find your Notepad. You're gonna open it with Notepad, and right up here where it says this ID 1.6.2, you're gonna want to name that whatever. Whoopsies. You're gonna want to name that whatever you just named these two files in the previous file. So I named them temp, you're going to name it temp, or whatever you named it. Now you're going to go into file, and you're going to click save. Close this. Now you're going to open up this jar file, not single player commands. You're going to open this with WinRAR, and it should bring you this. Now in here, you're going to want... What? What did Brian say?
Brian say, who cares? Screw him, call him. Like, should I call him? Adam?
Not right now, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna want to open up your meta-imp folder in this temp file, and there should be about 3 files right here. You're gonna delete all the files except for the manifest. You do not want to delete the manifest. So delete those, and now you're gonna get back. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna oops, my bad. You're going to find your single player commands folder that on your desktop, and you're gonna copy everything into here except for the world edit.jar. You're gonna even copy the COM into there. You don't have to put in the text files, but it's not gonna hurt. So just don't copy the world edit jar into there. Now once you've done this, you're going to close all this. And if you already had your Minecraft launcher open, you're going to want to restart this. But you're going to here's my launcher. You're going to go down to the bottom left. You're going to click New Profile, and you can name it whatever you want. So I'll just name it Temp. And you're going to go down here, and you're going to use where it says Use Version. Where you're going to click on whatever you just named it. Release temp. I just named mine temp. I'm going to go to release temp, save profile. Now I'm going to go to my temp. I'm going to click play. I'm going to go to my competitive, my amazing world that's somehow lagging. I have no idea why it lags. Ooh. But right there, see, look at this, it's lagging like heck. But right there where it says single player commands, that should pop up, and you should be able to do whatever you want with of any mods of single player command. So watch this. This is my favorite mod right here. To get this, you do //wand. So it gives you a wooden axe, and you left click, you right click. Look at this. Bam! Magic! I love you, World Edit. And let me just get rid of that. But your mod should be downloaded by now. You should be able to do whatever you want with single player commands. Look at all those commands. Oh my god, there's too many. So have fun playing with your single player commands, and that's it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you guys. So have a nice night, and bye.